how to remove threads badge on your Instagram profile. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and head on to our Instagram for this tutorial. So basically you will be directed to the home page. Once you're in the home page, you may go to your profile by clicking on your profile account in the bottom right corner. And then here you can see in my profile, at the top of the bio, there is a thread sign that is stating that you're the number to join threads. So I am around 92 million to join the threads account, and this temporary badge lets your followers know that you're on threads. So this will let them know that you're on threads. But if you don't want to display this badge on your profile, you can tap on the hide badge option, and this will automatically hide your badge. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.